welcome to part 3 of our series on using the Hoopla app. In this video, we will walk through the process of accessing your loans and also customizing the viewer to your preferred settings. To borrow a title, tap on the cover and then tap Borrow, found just below the cover art of the title. As an example, I will be using an eAudioBook first, and then we'll show you the differences between the other formats. Upon tapping Borrow, you will be asked to confirm the loan. After confirming the loan, you will be shown a temporary confirmation screen, and then shown the item's description page as before, with two key differences. The Borrow tab now says Play, and below that is a box that says Tap here to download. Underneath that, you can see the due date for the item. If you tap on the Play button, you will stream the title. If you tap on Download, you will save the title to your device. If you have the Wi-Fi only downloads setting turned on, this will mean that you will have to be connected to a wireless network and not use your phone's data. This is generally advised so as to avoid any costs that may occur with using your phone's data. After opening up the audiobook from its title description page and tapping the highlighted Play button, you will be taken to the player. The player is labelled and easy to use. Let's go through the elements now. To the top right, we have two icons. There is the car mode, which is a simplified version of the player and will show you only the play button, the bookmark icon, and the rewind 15 seconds icon. You can exit this by tapping the X in the top right. Next to the car mode icon is the bookmark icon, allowing you to place a bookmark to go back to later. In the center of the screen, you will see the cover art of the title. Directly below that, you have two boxes. Tapping on either of these will show you how much time is left either in the chapter or the entire audiobook. You can see these times on either side of the scroll bar directly beneath these boxes. Below that, you have your play pause button, the skip forwards and backwards buttons, and then the rewind or fast forward by 15 seconds buttons. Beneath these to the bottom left, we have the sleep timer, which allows you to set a time for the audiobook to automatically turn off. The chapters menu is next and allows you to jump to a desired part in the title. The bookmarks menu allows you to view any bookmarks you have placed and to go directly to them. Lastly is the speed setting. This is the speed at which the audiobook is read. The default is 1x speed. You have the ability to either increase or decrease the speed to your preferred amount. To exit from the reader, up the top left is the back arrow. Tap on that and you will be taken to the title description page. Once the title is downloaded, you'll be able to read the title by tapping on the highlighted Read button. Once it is loaded, you will see the cover page. The first noticeable difference between eAudioBook and eBook is the layout of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the page numbers and your current position in the book. If you do a single tap on the screen, you will see that you now have access to several new icons. Up the top is the search function, which allows you to search for phrases or words in the book. Next to that is a hamburger menu, which is where you can find the chapter index, your bookmarks, and any parts of the text you highlight. Next to that, you have the font icon, which takes the appearance of an upper and lowercase letter A. This is the rest of the customizable settings, which, despite its initial appearance, is a scrollable menu. Included in these settings are the screen brightness, the font and text size and boldness, the theme of the reader, the line spacing, the margin size, the text alignment, displaying the book in 2 columns, and lastly, vertical scrolling instead of the default horizontal scrolling. Each of these can be set to your preferred experience. Lastly, the next icon is the bookmark. This will allow you to bookmark certain points of the title for you to view later from the hamburger menu mentioned before. To move through the ebook, provided you didn't alter any settings, you just swipe or tap once on either the left or right side of the screen, depending on the direction you wish to go. If you wish to zoom in on something, then on the specific part you wish to zoom in on, pinch your fingers outward. It's worth noting, some titles may not have this feature. To exit from the reader, up the top left is the back arrow. Tap on that and you will be taken to the title's description page. The viewer for the comics and graphic novels is very simplified. It shows the pages in the center of the screen. At the bottom of the screen, there is a navigation bar that allows you to scroll through the pages. Beneath that is the current page number out of the total page numbers. To zoom in, pinch your fingers apart on the place in which you wish to focus. And to exit the reader when you are finished, tap on Close in the top right. The music player in Hoopla is very similar to your device's normal music player. When you have opened up the music album, you will be shown this screen. Starting from the top, you will see the back arrow is present in the top left. In the middle will be the album title, and to the right is a hamburger menu that will show you all of the tracks in the CD, allowing you to select a specific song to listen to. In the middle of the screen is the album cover, and below that is the player itself. Just above the player, you will see the song title and the artist name, and below that is the bar that shows the track length. Much like with the audiobook player, we have the play and pause button. To either side is the rewind and fast forward buttons. To the left, we have the shuffle button, which will allow you to shuffle just the album you are listening to, or all of your borrowed albums. To the far right, we have the repeat button, which will allow you to repeat either the song or the album you are listening to. For viewing video content, whether movies or TV shows, the player will remain the same. To bring up or to hide the icons, tap the screen once. The icons that you will see present are the play and pause button in the center of the screen, and to either side are the 30-second skip buttons. In the top right, in the settings menu, you will find the subtitles option, which you can turn on or off at your leisure. Down the very bottom, you will see the navigation bar that you can drag to any point if you wish to rewind or skip forward in the movie. Binge passes are unique to Hoopla. They are an individual borrow that allows you to access a wide range of items at once. From the Binge Pass menu, you will see a lot of different options. If you look at the blue band on each pass, you'll be able to see the different icons that will indicate what type of content will be available to you with that pass. There are a few extra caveats to remember with the Binge Passes. The loan period is only 7 days, and some titles within the Binge Pass may be streamed only and not downloaded. These include audiobooks, movies, television shows, and music. Ebooks and comics can be downloaded to your device. When you open the Binge Pass you are interested in, scroll down and you will be able to browse the content that will be available to you. This is worth checking to make sure that you will be getting content relevant to you. To access your content, it will be available through the My Hoopla menu, like the rest of your loaned content. Well done! For more instruction on how to use Hoopla, please watch the other videos in this series, which will be linked below and at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Please click like if this video was helpful.